Here I have the printout of my paper pattern. Now I will show you how you can piece it together. Well, based on the layout image that is given in the instructions document. So each page will have a box to it, and then there are triangles at the corners where it will allow you to match up with other pieces to form diamonds. So I've got my first sheet here. I'm going to cut using rotary cutter. So I'm going to cut 1/8 of my paper pattern. I'll take the next page and I'll piece it together using the triangles or the diamonds and the perimeter lines as a guide. Take some sticky tape and stick it together. I know there's no pattern out there, so I would stick this portion where it's needed for the pattern. And then I can move on to the next page. This is the next set of 4s, so do the same thing. Now that I have pieced my paper patterns in sets of 4s, I'm going to go ahead and trim off one long edge of my set before I can piece the rows together. Match this row to the next row. I can use the diamonds as a guide, as well as the perimeter of the box. Now we are ready to cut the paper pattern. Now the pieces of the paper pattern has been pieced together, we can go ahead and cut the pattern pieces. You just have to cut along the dotted line.